I was passing by, and I heard a really weird noise coming from the jungle. So I'm here. Let me show you around. Oh my God. So I'm gonna go down a little bit. We'll see if I can hear the noise again. God damn, what the hell was that? Oh. Ah. I got a little better. Not bad, a little bit, huh? You hear? Wow. What the hell is that? God damn it. Well, I don't know what the hell is this doing. Okay. I got better. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I really appreciate all the people that liking my video, sharing my video, and I know some people, they are really fan of me, of paranormal world. I love you all of you. I read all of your comments, all of the comments that you write. Faking gay, faking gay, faking gay, faking gay, faking gay. Okay, and I read all the good comments. So before anything happened, let me see the bike car. Now I am safe. I am always traveling and I go to a strange area to capture this crazy stuff. Now I am in Chicago area. Whew, Chicago. Well, thank you for having me, for watching me, and I will see you next time with another video. Leave me some comment and tell me what do you want me make, what do you want me do for next video. Okay, bye bye.